Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in this Monday.com tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make board private. So if you want to keep the information in the board just for yourselves or for dedicated few, you can do that in Monday.com very easily. We are at our main workspace that we created just for this reason, and we have to go to the left sidebar, as you can see, with our boards here. Let's go with the tutorial one. There are three little dots that we want to click on. Then we want to change board type, which is fourth option. Right now we can change it to private. Converting this board to private means it will no longer have a guest list. This board's guests will no longer have access to it when it's private. That's what we want. So we change the board to private. If you want to reverse the action, it's very easy. It's the same way, but other way around. So we click on tutorial, these three little dots, change board type, and we change it to shareable. This board content will become available to guests invited to the board. Only board owners with a king crown symbol can invite guests to shareable board. Change to shareable. Right now we can invite people or board guests, and they can make some changes to our board. Or if you invite them as only guests or viewers, they won't be able to do basically anything, just to see what's inside, and then they won't be able to do any changes. So if you are on your presentation, or you want to pinpoint something and you invite someone, or you simply want to share this board to your colleagues, you can easily do this, and they'll be able to view it. Only view it, not change a thing. Then you can straight up invite them and invite them as a member. Then they will be able to change few things around. So that's about it, guys. That's how you make board private and make it shareable again. Thanks for watching. If you have any kind of questions, please leave them underneath this video. I'll try to answer them. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Have a great day.